In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR code on Zoho Invoices. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Zoho Invoice account and which setting to turn on so that QR codes automatically appear on your invoices for faster payments and easier client access. Let's get started right from the Zoho Invoice homepage. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Invoice account, just like you normally would. Once you're signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see things like recent invoices, outstanding payments, and other key information about your billing activity. Now, from this dashboard, look towards the top or upper right section of the screen for the gear icon. This gear icon represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the settings area where you can customize how your invoices behave and appear to your clients. Inside the settings, you'll see different categories for various parts of your account. Here, you want to focus on anything related to invoices specifically. Find and click on the option labeled Invoices. This section controls how your invoices are formatted, what information they display, and which extra features, like QR codes, are enabled. Once you're in the Invoices settings page, take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see different preferences related to layout, terms, and other invoice details. What you're looking for is the setting related to QR codes. This will usually appear as a simple switch or toggle option. When you find the QR code option, all you need to do is toggle it on. If the switch is currently off, click it so that it turns on and is clearly enabled. This tells Zoho Invoice to automatically include a QR code on your invoices going forward. The QR code typically contains key invoice information or a payment link, which makes it easy for your customers to scan and quickly view or pay the invoice using their phone. After toggling the QR code on, it's a good idea to save your changes if there's a save button, and then preview or create a test invoice. Check the invoice preview to make sure the QR code is visible and placed correctly. Once